Hey, what's going on guys, it's Renzel's Cosplay, and this video is going to be on how to keep your acrylic paint from not coming off of your armor and, getting on your hands and just fading away and looking really ugly after a while on your armor. And this usually happens with certain acrylic paint, but today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do that. I'm going to be using the Dragon Slayer Ornstein armor I made a while back to demonstrate this on. And yeah, we're gonna go from having to go get all over my fingers and off the armor to not staying off the armor, and we are gonna do that with the use of. So to keep the gold from not coming off and getting on our hands and smearing all over the place and not looking all disgusting and icky, we've got Flex Seal. No, not Flex Tape, Flex Seal. So Flex Seal is not really, I think that this is more, I don't think that it's the best to use for this. If you can, clear coat's best. I know it does say coat, but it is made for sealings. That's what it's mainly designed for, but I think it will work with paint on foam. So we're going to try it right now. We're going to try a knee pad just because this seems to be the best case scenario. Here we go. Holy crap, we already got a little bit on it, so we're going to spray just a bit on it. It is going to make it a bit less, bit more obviously coated in something else. It's not going to be as bright anymore, but you don't need a whole lot of it. Just a little bit to coat it will work, and you're going to want to actually make sure that you experiment with this first. Hell, if you don't even feel comfortable using an actual piece of armor, what you can do instead is grab a different piece of foam, some spray paint of the same kind, spray it on, let it wait the same amount of time, then try it on that, and then wait, and then see how it works, and then rub it, move it, and see if any comes off on your hands after about an hour of drying. So you're going to leave it about this, a little bit less than if you were to use the acrylic spray paint. You guys can see there is actually a bit of it on here. You can see those grayish marks are actually where it's at. So if it doesn't end up working the way we want it to, it might just be because of that, but I think we will be okay. Also, there's a bit of string that came out, but I think it'll be all right. A little bit, so no gold. No gold. Wow, this Flex Seal surprisingly worked. So there is the example. Flex Seal spray on any type of paint. Actually, it's probably really hard to see. Show you guys. None. So as you guys can see, yes, Flex Seal will not only keep the paint on, but also it won't get all over your fingers or anything else you have. So you won't have to worry about having to reapply paint, buy more paint, or even it coming off and just looking dirty and disgusting anyways. So make sure to subscribe to the channel if you're new for more cosplay content and tutorials, films, and other video game cosplays as well. Also be sure to hit the notification bell so you never miss a video when I post. Like the video if you enjoyed or got value from the content, and be sure to share this video with all of your friends. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'm seeing you guys later.